YouTube, Eric DIY here with another great review for you. Tonight we're going to review the Steampunk industrial robot lamp that is holding a guitar. They come in many different styles, but it's really cool. Wanted to buy one for my office. So harkening back to my days of being a guitarist in rock bands, I actually went to school for music. I wanted to get this particular design. They also have many other designs available. They have ones that pose like they're sitting, that they have kind of their head down. They're kind of cool. And if you really wanted to, you could take this guitar out and put whatever you want as long as it fits in there. This lamp is well built. It's using conduit pipe as well as a standard bulb. We have an LED retro type bulb in there. The cord itself, the power cord is about 6 feet. So you have about 6 feet to work with, but this is gonna go into my office later on. I haven't really picked a place yet, but bought it because it's just cool. So let's take a closer look at this lamp. So with this guitar design, the lamp is on top while the guitar sits in the pipes right there. And you can see it from any angle, it's pretty good. It also has a kind of cool way that it sits on the edge of the table. You do have to have this foot up there, but it's real conduit pipe, so it's not something that's going to break if it drops or anything like that. The guitar probably would. The guitar is pretty cool because it's actually made out of wood and there's brass strings, and you can rearrange the strings to make them look better, which I probably will do later. The cord itself is just your standard electrical cord, and it has an on-off switch in the middle of the cord. And nice to have it hooked up to a little power outlet because I needed a little extender there to do this review. But overall, this is a pretty cool lamp. It's soldered in place, so it's not moving anywhere. Very well attached. They have these little plugs here that make it a little attractive on the feet. I wish they put one here, but it's not a big loss. But on the bottom, they have one here too. And the bulb itself, it could take up to a 60-watt bulb, and you can pick any design you want. It does not come with the bulb though, which is also another thing. Hey, I wish they actually included the retro bulb. It's all in one in the gift. So if you're gonna buy this for a gift, make sure that you pick a proper 60-watt bulb. This actually looks a lot brighter than what it is. We have little strands in there that you can't see due to the GoPro, but it is a retro type bulb. On the back, it's just going right into the pipe with the electrics, goes right up here, right into the socket. So if you know anything about lighting, pretty easy design to fix if there's anything wrong with it in the future, but I don't really see it having any problems because again, it's built out of conduit and really tough. With the bulb there, you can actually change that to whatever you want. You can get like a Wi-Fi bulb, as long as it's on all the time, and you hook it up to your Wi-Fi. You could have like a party bulb in there. That'd be pretty cool. So there's many different things that you could do with this. There were pictures online of people putting like a little glass of scotch in there instead of the guitar and stuff like that. So that was cool too as well. And they've also posted it on top of books and everything like that. So again, highly posable. It's just a really cool lamp. So I wanted to do a little quick review on this one because I know the holidays are coming up and it would be very cool if you know someone that would enjoy this lamp to get one for them. Pros and cons about the Steampunk industrial robot lamp. I wish it came with the bulb. The reason why I wish it came with the bulb is they have all these pictures, Amazon, with it having a bulb. And the bulbs are pretty attractive there, but you will have to provide your own bulb. I wish that this came in a little guitar case. And the reason why is if it had a little case to it, you could actually put the case on the side and just have it kind of sitting there with a guitar, put other things in there. I wish that this had a little end cap like the other ones do because it'd be more normalized. That's what I would call it. And the pose is cool, but you have to get it just in the right place to make it sit there and be good. But you can pose it in different places, like on top of books and stuff like that. This is just hanging off the edge of the table. And you don't see a lot of lamps that do that. So it's just a little bit, I want to say awkward, but you have to place it the correct way on the table. Pros about the Steampunk lamp, it's just cool. It's built very well. This is metal all the way around construction. The guitar is really cool because it's kind of authentic with the wood there. The strings look really good, especially when you line them up. And the lamp itself is built really, really well. The only thing you'll have to replace is the bulb. Overall, it's a really cool gift or decoration for your office or your general house, especially if you're a guitar player like me. This one's good too. But again, they have different designs on the website. You can see them right there. They have one that just kind of sits on the edge of the table, another one that's kind of kneeling. Here's another one that's kind of kneeling with a leg underneath it. And then there's the guitar one. So it's pretty cool, the options that you can have. If you would like to purchase the Steampunk industrial robot lamp, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to a place where you can purchase your very own, and every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this review and want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all your support. Thank you, and have a great night. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.